what was step one? I mean, we had to start out by, we had to say we're going to create it in NFT. We had to find an interesting collectible NFT, and Gabe has seen a lot of NFTs out there. And so, you know what was selling out there, and you know what people wanted to see. And so, Gabe, I went to you and I said, Gabe, what do people want to buy, right? I mean, what do people like to see, and how could we attach that? So what were some of the traits and features that you were kind of looking for, in maybe something that could be turned into an NFT, the graphical part of it?
Right. So, when we're looking at collected NFT collections out there on OpenSea and what's popular and what's selling, it's they're kind of simple, usually little characters. That's just how it is, simple and simple small characters.
Above Rachel's head there.
Exactly, and okay. We've got bored apes, we've got pudgy penguins, we've got all these different little mascots pretty much, and that have different sorts of different traits and different different accessories. So that's the collections that are selling.
Yeah, but Gabe, there was quite a wide variety of them. We found people that were interesting characters. We found pixelated little icons that look like dragons, and we find there's things so that are pretty out there. We find scary things. We find high quality art, and there's really quite a variation. So what we did is we said, what's the theme of our business? What does our business do, right? We do digital transformation. We connect people through business. And so we said, first of all, we set off on a journey and we created a work scope. And with that work scope, we put it out there into a design contest is what we did. Rachel, can you talk a little bit about the design contest and what we did to come up with the artwork for our NFT?
Sure. We sent out a prompt to
99 designs.
Yeah. 99 designs, and anyone who was interested in making a design for what we wanted for our NFT, they created one, and we had a lot of different designs, and it was hard to pick which one.
It was crazy, wasn't it? We had over 100 different contestants in this contest, didn't we?
There were some awesome designs in there too.
Yeah, they did a really good job, and so that's how we found our designs, and then we continued to work with the artists that we connected with, who won our contest, and
talk a little bit about that. Yeah, talk about a little bit about what you do in your daily work, because what you did in your daily work at DreamWorks, you actually did in this project here, where you gave people feedback and we tweaked it, and we talk about what you did to be able to come to the final design.
Well, because I guess the job that I'm in right now, I'm a supervising animator. So I get to connect with a lot of people all over the world with partner studios, and I'm able to direct them on the direction on how we should have our animation and give them notes on how to make the animation better. And so I essentially did the same thing with our NFT projects, and I worked with the artists through 99 designs and gave them feedback along the way, and gave them great ideas. Well, off of their ideas, I pushed it even further, and we exaggerated some things, and it came out.
Gave some notes.
Really great. Yeah.
And Gabe said, "Hey, what about this? What about that?" Gabe said, "Hey, Gabe, what were some of your favorite traits that you told them you wanted added to the designs?"
There were a few, but one of the main things that I wanted them to add in there was one that was really rare. So we worked with the artists. We're like, hey, can you add one in there that's going to be one in 1,000? The rarity of popping up. So there's some that one I'm not going to talk about it yet because we still got to release it. But there's some out there that are rare.
But there is one that's going to come out that is the only one. First of all, there's not two. There are no two that are alike. Okay, but there is one that Gabe wanted that was like super unique and different. And so there's one that's very different. One peep guy that's really different. And so you're going to have to keep your eye out for that one. That one's really special.